Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your domain to Wix for free. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the dashboard for your Wix website. Click on Publish Site because your site needs to be live before connecting the domain. Once published, you will see a confirmation message. Copy the provided site link by triple-clicking it and pressing Ctrl+C. Next, go to your domain provider. In this example, we will use Hostinger, but the process is similar for other providers like GoDaddy. Open your domain list and click Manage Domain. Under Name Servers, ensure you are using the provider's default DNS. For Hostinger, select Hostinger Basic DNS. For GoDaddy, choose GoDaddy's DNS. Find the Forward Domain section. Here, add a redirect. Enter your domain name and paste the copied Wix link. Save the changes. This setup may take a few hours to update. Once active, visiting your domain will redirect to your Wix site. However, note that this is a redirection, not a full domain connection. To fully link your domain to Wix, you would need a premium plan. So that's basically how you can connect your domain to Wix for free. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.